Completing and signing off corrective action items is a critical component of stormwater compliance on your projects and facilities. With ComplianceGO, signing off action items has never been easier. It all starts with your email. When the stormwater inspector for your project assigns an action item, you'll get an email for that item or for the entire action log. The cards in the email will include the inspector's notes on what needs to be done. Once the action item has been completed, just click the Close button here in the top right corner of the action item card. You don't need to worry about logging in or remembering your username and password. Just click Close and you'll be taken directly to the action item. Here, you'll want to enter a description of what was done to complete the action item. If required, you can add a picture to show that it's been done. In this box, type the name of the person who completed the corrective action. Below the certification statement, type your name next to the X to electronically sign off the action item. You can also enter your title here, but it's not required. Finally, you'll need to indicate that you agree to the electronic signature statement terms. You can read the terms by simply clicking on the statement. When you're finished, simply click the Close Action Item button. That's it. You're done.